Hello everyone, it's me PHANTOMYT, and in today's video I'll be telling you how you can get a free FNCS system and placement points. So first of all, you'll have to join my Discord server. The link of the server can be found in description as well as in comment. Once you are in the server, you will be able to see the channel for roles. As you guys can see here, roles, you need to invite 3 people. I will add it there, and then once it is added, you guys can get 3 invites and get it as so. Now let's get this started. So first of all, you will have to need the verse code. Put the verse code inside UEFN. You need to press on verse and you need to press on verse explorer. After pressing on that, you can see the name of your project, which mine is placement underscore point. So I'm gonna right click on that. I'm gonna press on add new verse file to the project. Now it's on you, whatever device name you want to put. If you want to put it as the verse device, npc behavior, npc basic, or scene graph component, but we do it as verse device. And the device name, you can put it whatever you want. I'm gonna just type PHANTOMYT, or right now I'm gonna just create new. And with this, if you like gonna put both of them, you need to put another verse device. You can name it however you want. I'm gonna name it join PHANTOMYT Discord. So I'm gonna create it as empty. After this, you are gonna double click on Phantom, let's say the join Discord one. Once you double click on this, it will say you to fill the file with your Smurf script. You just have to go to the server, copy the file, Control A and then Control C, and you're gonna put it in the join Discord PHANTOMYT. As you guys can see, I already have it, so it's having like the red thing because you can't have it more than once, but it's just to show you guys. And after that, with same with the FNCS one, if you guys go in the FNCS system, you can go copy and then paste it here, and then it should be good. If you guys get the error like the lines here, I will tell you how to fix it. It's like when you join a new game, you get it. It's the bug from like Fortnite, so don't take tension. And also, as you guys can see here, I have some red things. You don't need to take care of that. It's also a bug. Now, if you go to project, press on project settings. If you go to worst version, if there's a red line at the starting, you just need to change the version to 0, and then you can change it back to 1, and it should be fixed. Okay, now moving on, we are gonna go for the worst devices. I'm gonna put it again for you guys as you guys don't know. So let's see. So first of all, we are gonna go to content drawer. Now there might be a question how to open the content drawer. So for that, there's two simple things. Either you can press Control and then spacebar, or you can press on bottom left, and you guys can see first is output log, second is content drawer. If you press on that, you guys will be able to easily see your content drawer. Now you need to press on the content which with your project name. So this is the content, and now with the system you're going to be provided with new folder 1, which is gonna be the background, and the placement points are gonna include all this. You need both of the folders. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press on show explorer, and you're gonna paste the folders that I'm gonna give you like this. You're gonna copy from my server and you're just gonna paste it like this, and then it should show in game. Okay, then after that, for the verse devices, in the content drawer in your project content, you're gonna type verse. After typing verse, you guys can see I have 2 of them. If you are not sure which one is which one, just double click on this. What? Why it doesn't open? It's okay. So if you want to check which one is it, you just need to select them and put them like this. Don't do like both of them at once, just drop one by one. Okay, after this, the visible in game and enabled at game start is on you. I'm doing the FNCS system first. So first of all, they ask us to connect the spawners. So spawners, you're gonna connect this one, which is this and this. Now for the tracker device, I am using this. So I'm just gonna connect it and I'm gonna show you the settings I have changed for the tracker device. So the stat to track is gonna be score. The target value is 0. HUD widget, I put it none. If there is custom, you can put it. Then you don't need custom HUD. Then show on HUD is no, show progress is off, and nothing else should be on. No functions, no events, nothing. Now moving on to the position of the FNCS system. So as you guys can see, the UI position is like this, the text position is like this. If you guys want to change it, you have to change it from here and also from the verse. So if you go in the verse, as you guys can see, this is the left, this is the top, this is the right, this is the bottom, and if you want to change it, you just have to mess with it and you can change it. Okay, and I think so that is all for the FNCS system. Now moving on to the placement system, and both of the system are interconnected. If you put FNCS system solo, that will be also good. It will count the score that people gets anyway. Okay, now moving on to the scoring ranks, which is the placement points. Enabled during phase at game start should be on, and visible in game is on you. If you want to show them or not show them, it's really on you. After that, we need a score manager device. Where you can find the score manager, press on content drawer, go to Fortnite and type score manager. As you guys can see, this is called the score manager. I have already one, so you don't need to do anything. And I'm gonna connect mine to this. Okay, after this we are gonna need a elimination manager. You are gonna go to content drawer by pressing control space, go to Fortnite and type elimination manager. So as you guys can see, this is the elimination manager. You don't need to change anything in the score manager and also not anything in the elimination manager. They should be as it is. But for the score manager, I'm gonna tell you about how to reset the score later. And for the elimination manager, make sure valid on self elimination is on. And if you don't want to show the points for people like who died, so you're gonna make another one, press on alt and drag it, valid on self elimination is off, and now you can connect that one to elimination. So now only on the elimination it will count, not on the self elimination. You guys got me? I hope you got me. Okay, now moving on to the score reset score trigger. So we are gonna connect our reset score trigger, which is this one. As you guys can see, it's our reset score trigger. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to put any delay or something. Okay, so first of all, we are gonna need two things: a save point device and a score manager. In score manager, I have already show you how to reset. Like, you have to go to score manager, go to functions, go to reset, type and add one, type reset score on the trigger, or you can connect any trigger to the verse file, like the verse device, and then after that connect it to the score manager to reset the score. And in the save point device, you're gonna first save the people. So let's say there's so many triggers. I'm gonna save them first on like this. All of them should be here. So then it is gonna save the person. Just a second. I'm gonna connect 13 things because I have 12 of the triggers and 13 is the elimination manager. So you're gonna connect all of the trigger devices to this as much as you have, and then After this, you're gonna last one is gonna be the elimination manager, which is not on valid self elimination, without self elimination, on elimination. Okay, so it means you're saving the person and then you have to clear the data from the score, like the trigger when it is received. You have to put it down or make it so that it cannot be triggered by player or by damage like this. Also same with other triggers. As you guys can see, trigger by player is off, trigger by vehicle no, sequence you can do it, and that's all. And enable on game phase is must, and visible in game it's on you. Now in the save point device from the starting, auto save, auto load should be off, all of them should be off, and only enabled during phase should be gameplay only. And one more thing you need to do, which is the save score. So you're gonna save the score and type yes. So that's all you need to do in the functions. I'm gonna repeat again. You're gonna connect all the things that you give the score through. Let's say I have a sentry and that sentry gives me like score. I'm gonna connect it. When the sentry is dead, I'm gonna let this guy recognize me and save me. After this, I want to clear the data when I leave, so it's gonna clear it. That's not a big issue. After this, we are gonna move on to our scoring things, which is the placement points. That was for saving the score between rounds, not between sessions. If you want to save between session, you just don't have to reset it. You can keep it and press on auto save, auto load, and you don't need reset for this and this. And even in the worst device, here you don't need to put that trigger. Okay, now moving on to the score manager, score 1. This is top 1, this is top 2, this is top 3, this is top 4. I'm gonna put like in the worst device quickly and then I'm gonna show you how to set it up correctly. 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 30. Okay, so you will find assets with this, but you can customize the assets however you want. Okay, we are using the HUD widget from UEFN. So in the folder you will find it. This is the original picture, and in the HUD it looks like something like this, and its anchor is on center left. So now what you're going to do is you're going to connect a score manager to show the HUD message device. Okay, so let's say this is the top one. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you quickly. So make sure the message recipient is on all. Show for duration, it's on you. I'm gonna put it 1.5 seconds, but remember there's like 12 of them. So you have to be quick to show one so that other one can show. And also same with this one, it should be quick and it should be similar like 1 second, something like that. And also in the score manager, I have like the trigger device, I have put 1 second delay, but it's on you. I prefer like 1 second is good because it sometimes bugs out, or when there's so many people dying, it's gonna show you quickly. So that's the issue. Okay, after this, show for duration, we have it on 1.5 second. Play sound, it's on you. I have it to none, but if you want to play it, you just need to have some custom file, or from here you can also play it. Let's say this one, you can play this one, and yeah, you can keep it, or if you want to clear, it's on you. Now, if for the placement, we put it custom, and for the screen anchor, we're gonna put it center left, and placement horizontal, vertical should be 0. The HUD widget is gonna be the top one widget because it's the top one. So HUD widget, like it's top one, and layer it is 0 on the both of them. In elimination one and in HUD this one also is 0. And that's all only you need to add now in the functions to show on triggered. So when this trigger device is triggered, it's gonna be triggered on, and everything else should be the same, only you're gonna change the top two in this one. So as you guys can see, hard messy device 2, we have top 2. In this, we have top 3. In this, we have top 4, top 5, top 6, After you make one, you can just like drag them and connect them to the devices. Or maybe I will show you a better idea. Look, if you do this, like both of them together, it is already connected to this one. As you guys can see, score manager 11, 11. Now here you can change it to top 2, and yeah, you can keep going like this. And then when you are done, you need to go to your voice device. You're gonna connect them all, and the system should work like that. But in the island setting, there are few settings that I have put. So first one is last standing ends game. It's gonna get off because we are gonna show a like custom hard messy device in the for the first person. If you want it, you are gonna close the hard, like first last standing, or else you're gonna keep it. And I'm gonna show you how to do custom victory like here also. So now in the search for island settings, you're gonna type cumulative. So as you guys can see, I am show cumulative stats value on the HUD. It should be on. Now for the victory, I have put this trigger for victory. I haven't changed anything. You just need to put a delay of, let's say, 1 2 seconds to the person to show. Now you're gonna connect it to the score manager 1, like the trigger 1 for top 1, and you're just gonna connect it. And when the trigger is triggered after 2 seconds, the team setting device will be able to end the round. Okay guys, that is all for this. If you want a sentry, you're gonna make the sentry come up like this. In the score, you're gonna type elimination score as 1, and in the save point device, you are gonna just don't connect it because it already triggers the top one, and also for the elimination one. And then you guys can test it with one sentry, and even with like many the island settings test one, like it doesn't work. Like as you guys can see, player on start. You just need real players for this system to work. If you guys want to test it, you need to publish the map with the things I have told, and then you will be able to figure out if the code is working or not. Because for me, the code is working perfectly. If you have any question, make sure to join my Discord server. And once again, I will say that if you want to get this, make sure you are in my server. You have to get 3 invites for the server. Make sure you invite your UEFN friends and share the word, as we are trying to help other UEFN creators to grow. So I hope you guys like the video, guys. If you have any questions about it, do let me know in the server. And PHANTOMYT is signing out. Peace.